What's up, online world? It's your boy, your motivational speaker, Julius Ivan Beralde. And for today's video, guys, I want to have this moment. I want to have this short time that was given to me to share and to introduce to you, online world, some of the some life lessons, some sayings, some mga aral or mga asal na pwede kong maibigay sa inyo online world na sana ay makatulong sa buhay nyo, sana is mag-improve kayo as a person. Gusto ko lang kasi makatulong sa inyo. Baka tanongin niyo sa sarili niyo, ba't ko to ginagawa? Guess what? I'm a motivational speaker. And you know what that means? Let's not waste time. Okay? Let's not waste time. Let's not waste time. Let's start the vlog. Okay? So, let's go back. Time. Okay? Ano ang meaning sabihin nito? Okay? Time. I want you guys to don't waste time. Okay? Anyone that watches this, don't waste time. Okay? Baka sinasabi nyo, abang pinapanood ko to, sinasayang ko yung oras ko. No. Okay? I want you to finish this video. Okay? Why? Because the thing that I do in this video is sharing things, sharing life lessons, that will help you grow as a person, help you in your life, whether you're struggling or having a good time. I want you to be motivated by my things. I want you to be inspired by my things, and hopefully you also help other people, because you learn something from my video. Time. Alright, let's go back. Time. We know that everything in this world is temporary. Okay? Everything in this world is temporary. Nothing is permanent. What does it mean? Okay, what does it mean? I want you guys to use your time. Use the time that is given to you to the fullest. Okay? I want you to do what the lyrics from the song, famous song, is. So live a life you will remember. Okay? I want you guys to live a life you will remember. What does it mean? Okay? You are only given one life. Okay? Only one life. What does it mean, guys? Online world, what does it mean? It means use your time properly. Use your time wisely. Okay, why? Because we are only given one life. And if that one life is gone, there's no turning back. There's no turning back. Okay? I want you to use your time with your parents. I want to use your time with your friends. I want to use your time with yourself. I want you to use your time with your loved ones. I want you to use your time improving yourself, making you happy. That is what I want for you to achieve. Alright? Use your time properly, guys. Next, alright? Whatever happens in your life, whatever comes in your life, okay, guys? Always stay humble. Okay? Always stay humble. Why? Because I believe in the saying. I believe in the saying. And you should also believe in the saying. I will Tagalog this, okay? I will Tagalog this. Lahat ng nagmamataas ay ibinababa at lahat ng nagpapakumbaba ay itinataas. Ano ang meaning sabihin? Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Okay? For example, yung poor. Mapagkumbaba siya. Okay? Mapagkumbaba siya. Anong gagawin sa kanya? With the right dedication, with the right hard work, with the right trust, with the right faith, itataas siya. Okay? Itataas siya. Maybe not today, maybe not later, maybe not next week, maybe not next month, maybe not next year. Pero, one day, itataas din siya. Okay? Let's go back sa sinabi ko kanina. Everybody has their time. Everything in this world is temporary. Okay? Walang permanente dito sa buhay na ito. Okay? So, sa pagiging poor niya, ay hindi permanente, kung hindi temporary. Okay? So, May time na poor siya at meron din time na aangat siya at magiging successful. Okay? I want you guys to, you know, put the lessons that I have said in your brain and in your heart. Okay? Because these lessons will help you in your life. Okay? Promise. I promise you guys. I promise. Maybe not today. Pero, you know, one day, you, me, us, we will be successful. Okay? This will be the end of the video. Part 2 is coming. And yeah, I'm very hungry. So, peace out.